loves, it's NEKA SHELLZ here, and today I'm going to show you all how to bleach your knots on your lace closure, lace frontals. This is the easiest way that you will always get it right no matter what. You will need to use 2 scoops of bleach with 20 volume developer. Then after you add the developer, you will want to mix the developer and bleach together very well until it's a really thick and creamy consistency, almost like batter. This is how you know when it's mixed well. You see it's not falling off the brush? That's when you know it's mixed well and you're ready to apply. So I like to use a plastic butter knife to spread the bleach onto the closure because it spreads on very easily. Easy like spreading butter on toast. Doing it this way, it's foolproof. You do not have to worry about the bleach bleeding into the knife. Oh, I forgot to mention what hair dye I'm using. Okay, so the hair dye I'm using is Kiki Curly Hair, and the other closure that I'm using is Body Wave, and that hair is from Hair Vanity by Yolanda, and the Kiki Curly Hair is from my vendor. So once I'm done applying the bleach, I like to turn the closures around and lay them flat down so the bleach will not seep through. I only let it process for 20 minutes. I used to let it process for 30 minutes and let the whole closure fully bleach, but now I don't do that. And now since the closure is bleached, it is time to rinse it out. So you will need your neutralizing shampoo and a purple shampoo. And now I'm just slightly showing you the knots that it has been bleached to perfection. And here's another close-up of the knots. As you can see what I was talking about, all of the knots are not fully bleached, but most of them are, and that's what you want. All of the bleach is rinsed out, and now look at that, pure scalp it. Now, in the next few tips, I'm going to show you a few tips on how to make a wig. So, this is the cap I love to use, a weaving cap. I do not like dome caps. I love weaving caps. So, what you want to do is T-pin your cap to your canvas block head, whatever kind of mannequin you are using. When it comes to you applying your closure, do not put the closure on the edge of the cap. Do not put it right there. It do not go at the edge of the cap. You pull the closure down just a little bit past the cap, like right there. No, do not put it there. Pull it down just a little bit. That is how you want to sew your closure to your cap. That is how you're going to always have the perfect fit every time. And this is how your closure should be pinned down to your cap. Nice and flat. And this is the end of the video. I hope you all liked it. Please stay tuned for my next video of me styling and installing my curly glueless wig. And until next time, XOXO.